Welcome back to Tech Horizon, the podcast where we explore how innovation shape our world. Before we begin today's panel, let's take a moment to appreciate one of Malaysia's biggest tech success stories. Did you know that Aerodyne Group, founded in Cyberjaya in 2014, is now ranked among the world's top drone technology companies? What started as a small startup has grown into a global powerhouse operating in more than 45 countries. Today, we will dive deeper into how Aerodyne uses drones, data, and artificial intelligence to transform industries. Let's jump into the conversation. Before diving into Aerodyne achievement, let's take a moment to understand the bigger picture behind drone technology and Industry 4.0. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, were originally used mainly for photography and military application, but over the last decade, their role has changed dramatically. Today, drones are tools for data collection, smart mapping, and real-time analysis across industries like agriculture, construction, energy, and even disaster management. Their impact has expanded because businesses now rely heavily on accurate, fast, and self-data-driven decisions. This growth is closely linked to Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution. Industry 4.0 focuses on using technology such as AI, automation, data analytics, and the Internet of Things to transform how industry operates. In simple terms, it means shifting from manual processes to smarter, automated, and more efficient systems. So, where does Aerodyne fit into all this? Aerodyne sits right at the center of Industry 4.0. Their ability to combine drone hardware with AI-powered software and data intelligence makes them one of the best examples of modern digital transformation. They aren't just flying drones, they are turning data into insight, solving real problems, and helping industry operate faster, safer, and more sustainably.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Horizon. I'm your host for today. Together with me are the three panelists: Ms. Nur Amira, our AI expert; Ms. Nur Ain, our industry analyst; Ms. Nur Sakina, our sustainability analyst. In today's discussion, we will explore Aerodyne Group, a global leader in drone and data technology that started right here in Malaysia. We will investigate Aerodyne's innovation journey, how artificial intelligence strengthens their operation, and finally, the impact of drone technology on industry.
Hi everyone, glad to be here. I'm looking forward to discussing how AI is transforming Aerodyne's technology.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to share how Aerodyne's technology is changing the way industries operate.
And hello everyone, I'll be focusing on how Aerodyne's work also connect to sustainability and smarter use of resources.
Wonderful! Let's begin our first discussion on how Aerodyne started as a Malaysian startup and become a global leader in the fourth industrial revolution. Founded back in 2014 by Kamarul A. Mohammed in Cyberjaya, Aerodyne started off as a small local drone startup. Fast forward to today, and is one of the top drone service provider in the world, operating across more than 45 countries. Aerodyne specializes in combining drone technology with data analytics to deliver smart solutions for industry like agriculture, construction, and energy.
innovation comes from integrating drone technology with advanced data intelligence. Aerodyne's drones are built to do more than capture aerial footage. They are equipped to gather, process, and interpret data that supports smarter decision-making across various industries. This integration of drone tech and data tech reflects Aerodyne's mission to drive digital transformation and automation, showcasing how the company is redefining the use of drones in the era of the fourth industrial revolution.
That's true. Aerodyne services are designed to improve productivity and safety. For instance, in the construction sector, drones can complete site inspections in minutes that would take humans hours, all while reducing safety risks. It's no surprise Aerodyne was ranked as the #1 drone service provider in the world by Drone Industry Insight in 2021.
Additionally, I believe that Aerodyne's breakthrough demonstrate how the technology can benefit both people and the environment. They contribute to lowering fuel consumption and carbon emission by substituting drone operation for manual check. This enhances efficiency while supporting worldwide effort towards sustainability.
Excellent points. Aerodyne proved that innovation isn't just about creating technology, it's about solving real problems. And that leads us to our next segment, where we will explore how artificial intelligence makes Aerodyne's drone technology even smarter.
Now that we have explored Aerodyne's beginnings and their remarkable rise in the global tech landscape, it's time to look at the heart of their innovation, artificial intelligence. Drones alone can capture image, but drones empowered with AI can analyze data, detect problems, and help industries make better decisions, faster and safer than ever before. Let's move on to segment 2, where we break down how Aerodyne integrates AI into their technology strategy. In this segment, we will look at the function of artificial intelligence in Aerodyne's operation. AI is what transforms their drones into more than just flying robots. It allows them to think, learn, and evaluate. Aerodyne employs artificial intelligence to automatically discover flaws during inspection, such as cracks, corrosion, or temperature abnormalities, notably in areas like energy and construction. But how do you think this use of AI benefits the company and its clients? When we talk about AI in drone technology, many people imagine robots making decisions on their own, but the reality is simpler and much more powerful. Artificial intelligence helps drones interpret the data they collect. Think of it like giving the drone a brain. Instead of a human spending hours reviewing image or inspection videos, AI can automatically detect cracks on a structure, identify changes in a landscape, or highlight potential risks. At Aerodyne, this AI analysis is supported by platforms like Verticality, which organize massive amounts of drone data and turn it into clear insights. This means companies can solve problems before they even happen. So, in Aerodyne's case, AI isn't just an extra feature. It's the foundation that makes their drone technology truly smart.
Well, I believe that AI gives Aerodyne a significant competitive advantage. It enables them to convert raw drone footage into useful data insight practically. The technology AI-powered cloud-based asset management solution, Verticality, employs machine learning to store and analyze enormous amount of data acquired from drones, allowing clients to make faster and more accurate decisions.
This technology can also help to avoid costly equipment breakdowns in industries such as oil and gas. Drones using AI can detect possible concerns before they become major issues, saving time and resources. This predictive maintenance capabilities is one of Aerodyne's key selling factors.
From a sustainability perspective, AI also reduces the need for repeated site visit and minimize human travel. This lower carbon emissions and improve operational efficiency is a perfect example on how technology can enhance both performance and environmental responsibility.
Very well explained. Aerodyne use of AI, drone system, and data analytics demonstrate Malaysia preparation for Industry 4.0. It demonstrates how intelligent automation has the potential for completely transform global industrial operations. Now that we have covered the technology, let's move on to the next section, which will explain how Aerodyne's drones are altering industry around the world.
We have explored how Aerodyne uses AI to deepen the value of drone operations. Now, let's broaden the view and look at the bigger picture. How exactly are drones transforming industries on a global scale? And what does this mean for Malaysia's role in the future of technology? Let's continue with segment 3.
In this final segment, we will discuss the impact of drone technologies on industries. Drones have completely changed how businesses manage operations, especially in large-scale and high-risk sectors. Aerodyne's technology allows companies to improve safety, reduce costs, and increase efficiency all through data-driven operations.
Now, let's look ahead. What does the future of drone technology look like? And how might companies like Aerodyne continue to shape it? We may see drone deliveries becoming mainstream, from medical supplies in remote areas to parcel delivery in urban cities. Countries like Japan, the US, and even Malaysia are exploring these possibilities. Another major development is smart cities powered by drones. Imagine drones monitoring traffic, inspecting buildings, assisting in emergency, or providing live update during natural disaster. This kind of integration will support safer, smarter, and more sustainable cities. For industries like agriculture, construction, and energy, drones will continue to reduce costs and human risk while increasing accuracy and productivity. In short, the future of drone is not just about flying machines, it's about intelligent systems that support smarter decision making and improve the way society functions.
That's right. In agriculture, Aerodyne drones are used for agricultural monitoring, soil analysis, and insect identification. Farmers can utilize this data to more precisely schedule irrigation and fertilizer used more precisely, resulting in higher yields and lower costs. It is an excellent example of how drone innovation promotes industrial progress.
Aerodyne's drone inspect assets in the energy and oil sectors, including wind turbines and oil pipelines. They use artificial intelligence to uncover problems that humans cannot perceive and provide automated reports for clients. This improves safety while minimizing downtime.
In building and infrastructure, drones give project manager with 3D mapping and real-time data. This technology not only increases accuracy but also contribute to sustainability by decreasing waste and eliminating rework. Aerodyne solution demonstrate that technological advancement and environmental stewardship are compatible.
Here's a real-world example of how Aerodyne's technology creates impact. In the agriculture sector, Aerodyne's drone help farmers monitor crop health, identify pests early, and track soil conditions. What used to take days of manual inspection can now be done in minutes, giving farmers accurate information that increases productivity while reducing costs. Another example is in the renewable energy industry. Aerodyne's drone inspect wind turbines, scanning every blade and every surface for sign of damage. With AI, this inspection becomes faster, safer, and significantly more precise than human-led inspection. This reduces downtime and ensures energy company can deliver stable, reliable power. These are just two cases, but they show one clear message: drones are no longer just flying cameras. They are tools for smarter decision making.
These are all excellent points. Overall, Aerodyne's impact on industries illustrates Malaysia's potential to set the pace in digital transformation. The firm demonstrates how drones and data technology may collaborate to create a smarter, safer, and more sustainable future.
Absolutely. Aerodyne's success demonstrates the innovation, intelligence, and accountability must coexist. It's not just about advancing technology, it's about improving how industry works and how they affect the world.
Well said. As we conclude, let's each share one final thought about Aerodyne's contribution to Malaysia and the global tech scene.
Aerodyne exemplifies Malaysian innovation at its best: inventive, forward-thinking, and globally competitive.
I see Aerodyne as a symbol of how artificial intelligence can drive real industrial progress.
And I believe Aerodyne reminds us that every technological success should also promote sustainability and responsibility.
To understand Aerodyne's broader contribution, it's helpful to connect their work with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 9: Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. Aerodyne's use of drones and data analytics supports modern, resilient infrastructure and promotes innovation across industries. SDG 8: Decent Work and Economic Growth. By replacing dangerous manual inspection with drone-based solutions, Aerodyne enhances worker safety while creating high-value digital jobs. SDG 11: Sustainable Cities and Communities. Drones help reduce waste, improve planning accuracy, and support environmentally friendly operation, making cities smarter and more sustainable. By meeting this goal, Aerodyne proved that advanced technology and responsible growth can go hand in hand.
Excellent reflections. Aerodyne Group demonstrated that Malaysia possesses the expertise and vision to define the future of Industry 4.0. Thank you to my fellow panelists for an excellent discussion and
As we come to the end of today's episode, let's take a moment to reflect on what Aerodyne truly represents. From its beginnings as a small Malaysian startup in 2014 to becoming one of the world's leading drone and data technology companies, Aerodyne shows the power of innovation, strategy, and vision. Their ability to combine drone technology with artificial intelligence and advanced data analytics has transformed how industry operates, from agriculture and energy to construction and infrastructure. Throughout our discussion, we have seen how Aerodyne's solution improve efficiency, enhance safety, and support smarter decision-making. Their work also contributes directly to global sustainability goals, proving that technology can drive not only economic growth but also positive environmental impact. Aerodyne reminds us that great innovation isn't just about creating new tools, it's about solving real challenges and helping industries move forward in a better, more responsible way. Thank you for spending your time with us on Tech Horizon. We hope today's conversation have given you a deeper understanding of how technology, when used thoughtfully, can shape a smarter and more sustainable future. Before we wrap up, I want to give a special thank you to our panelists for their thoughtful insights and engaging discussion. Your expertise have helped us understand Aerodyne's impact in a much deeper way. We truly appreciate your time and your contribution to today's episode.
until next time, keep learning, keep innovating, and keep keep flying high with technology. Thank you.